Alright, my name is Asad Yaqub and we're going to take a start with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love sports. First of all, I tell you, uh, when I was children, I like to play cricket, but now I'm more interested in tennis, and I love to play tennis.
Is there a lot of sport on television in your country?
Yes, there are a lot of sports on the television in my country. The main sports people like in my country is cricket, secondly volleyball, and the hockey.
What sports do children normally do at school?
Um, in my country, children play some sports like cricket, tennis, and the main sports are increasing in the schools are racing between the children, and some of the table tennis are more popular in our country.
Are there many sporting facilities near where you live?
I think no, because I'm from Sialkot and the totally industrial area are there, and no facilities are higher for the young people who can play with their some sports.
Alright, we now go on with speaking part 2. The topic is describe a sporting event you have attended, like cricket match or anything like that. This is the topic. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
In my daily life, I attend many of the sporting events. For example, some school sports event, college events. But now I wanna tell you about a sporting event is a PSL, Pakistan Super League, and I still remember 2 years ago I went to the Lahore to watch to saw this match between the Peshawar Zalmi and the Quetta Gladiators. I love to I love to see the sports players face to face, and when I when I came to Lahore, I was very excited to see all of them, and that experience really great for me, because on that moment I saw all of the international and some of the national players face to face, and we met to each other and took some selfies, and I love to watch live matches, and I also excited to go in any sports festivals. That's very important to all of us, and we have a huge facility to.
Okay, thank you. Can I have the topic, please? We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. What types of sports are most popular in your country?
I think the most popular sports in my country is cricket, but some people are love to play hockey because it's our national sports, and most of the people are play to volleyball.
What are the benefits of playing sports?
There are lots of benefits to playing sports. First of all, it's very important to our health, and we can healthy, and our on our adult age, for example after 50s, and we can easily fit ourselves.
Okay, do you think that new sports will be created in the future?
I think I think technology are developing with the passage of time, and no one can tell anything about the future. But in my opinion, there are lots of games and sports will be invented, and people also will play them.
Okay, thank you. So, Kasim, overall it's fine, but you've got mainly grammatical mistakes, and these mistakes are related to your sentence structure. The mistakes like I was children. It should have been when I was a child. When you were small, you were singular or plural? Singular, right? Yeah. And then you said met to. It should be met with. I met with different players, I met with people and all that. Then you said the Lahore. Lahore is proper noun, name of the city. With that, we don't use article. Okay. Then you said I excited. Now I excited is wrong. It should be I was excited. Okay. Then you said to saw. To saw is wrong. To
To
see.
see.
After to we use first form. And these type of mistakes. Then you said on that moment. It should have been at that moment. Right? So these type of mistakes are very common. Try to overcome. But still the way you performed, I'll give you 5.5. Thank you.